Hello and welcome to today's session. Today we'll be going through how to create equipment in SAP plant maintenance. We do that by double-clicking Create Technical Object. Then select Equipment. Enter the unique ID of your equipment. Then you choose the Technical Object category. Then I choose Machines. Then Continue. Then I describe the equipment. I choose cooling water circulation pump. Then I enter the object type, choose pumps. I enter my startup date. Then I choose the country of manufacture. I select Ghana. Month and year of construction. It's my month and then the year 2020. It's in my acquisition value, the currency. Then I choose my acquisition date. Then I move to location data. I enter my plants. Then I enter my cost center. Then I save. You can choose the information you like to represent in your equipment data and then maintain that information. For me, this is what I want to maintain, so I save. data was saved successfully. So you can go back. So this is how to create an equipment within the SAP plant maintenance model. Thank you.